Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video I will show you how to check your Wi-Fi signal strength in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are experiencing slow Wi-Fi, frequent disconnections or an unstable wireless connection, checking the signal strength can help you determine whether your computer is receiving a strong or weak Wi-Fi signal. The good news is that Windows has a built-in command that lets you check your Wi-Fi signal strength as a percentage, so you don't need to install any third-party software. So let's get started. First, click the start button and then type here cmd or command prompt. You don't need to run command prompt as an administrator for this method, so just click on the command prompt entry to open command prompt. Now you need to type netsh space wlan space show space interfaces. After that, press enter on the keyboard. I will put this one command in this one video description also, so in case you need it you can copy it from there. Now Windows will display detailed information about your current Wi-Fi connection. Look for the line labeled signal at the bottom. This next to signal you will see a percentage value. This percentage represents the signal strength of your current Wi-Fi connection. For example, if the signal value is 90%, your computer is receiving a strong Wi-Fi signal. A lower percentage means that the wireless signal reaching your computer is weaker. However, don't treat a particular percentage as a guaranteed measurement of internet speed. Your actual Wi-Fi performance can also depend on factors such as the distance from the router, wall and other obstacles, wireless interference, the Wi-Fi band you are using, network congestion, and your router and adapter. You can also use this command to compare Wi-Fi signal strength at different locations. For example, run the command while you are close to your Wi-Fi router and note the signal percentage, then move to another room or location and run the same command again. If the percentage drops significantly, that location may have a weaker Wi-Fi signal. The command also provides other useful information about your wireless connection. For example, you can see the Wi-Fi network name, radio type, authentication, channel, receive rate, transmit rate and connection status. This information can be useful when troubleshooting Wi-Fi problems, and you don't need to install any third-party software to check these details. The same command works on both Windows 11 and Windows 10, so whether you are using Windows 11 or Windows 10, you can simply open command prompt and run the netsh wlan show interfaces command to check the signal strength of your connected Wi-Fi network, and that's it. This is how you can check Wi-Fi signal strength in Windows 11 and Windows 10 using the built-in command prompt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to GearUpWindows and click the bell icon for more Windows 11 and Windows 10 tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.